ampere. With the help of total current, we are getting the current in this branches, that is the 6 ohm resistor and the 4 ohm resistance. Current I3 is the 6 ampere and the current I2 is the 4 ampere resistance. We have to understand, that is, to solve any network circuit, we have to understand what is the KVL and what is the KCL. KCL is the Kirchhoff's current law and KVL is the Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's current law states that the incoming current is always be equal to the leaving current, or the addition of the incoming current will be equal to the addition of the outgoing current. So, as we know, we have known the current values from here, from this resistor and this resistor. We can understand that 10 ampere is coming here and 4 ampere is going this side and 6 ampere is going this side. And at this node, again at this node, this current is coming as a 10 ampere to this circuit. So, KCL is satisfying in this circuit. Similarly, we are calculating the voltage drop across these resistors. The voltage drop across these resistors we have calculated with the formula of the Ohm's law. So, with the formula of the Ohm's law, we have calculated the voltage drop across the V1 is the 6 volt and V2 is the 24, and similarly the voltage across V3 is the 24 ohm. Again, we are applying the KVL. When we are applying the KVL, we are drawn here the positive and negative charges of the voltage polarity. That is, we are negative here, positive. Current is flowing this direction, so the positive is this side and negative. Again, the positive is there, negative is this at this resistor. Positive here, negative here is this side. We are going with this side of the sign. So here we are written here the 30, and with the minus of 6 volt it is written here. And for this loop again, this is the minus 6 minus 24 written, and we are getting 0. For this loop also, this is also forming a loop, that is a 30 minus 6 minus 24, and we are getting as a resultant as a 0. So in KVL and KCL we have to understand two things. With the KVL is applied, that the incoming current is equal to the outgoing current, and KVL is the addition of all the voltages in a loop is equal to the 0. If this two condition is not satisfied, then there will be no flow of current and circuit will not conduct any current. So in this very first lecture we have taken a very simple circuit that is connected only with these two resistors, these two parallel resistors which is connected in series with this. In our next lecture we will take the different storing elements like capacitance and inductance, and with these elements we will go and understand how to calculate the KVL and KCL or the current